So I found this old pipe at the flea market and I gave a whopping $5 for it. It's a Smokemaster 300 series, stamped imported briar on this side. As you can see, it has some type of stinger in the stem there. And you can also see that some idiot decided to put paint over the diamond emblem on the stem right here. The bowl itself has some stain and finish issues. Overall, this thing needs a little bit of love, so let's get started. First, I soak the bowl in straight acetone for about 3 hours, and it comes out looking like this. Meanwhile, the stem and another stem are in the sonic cleaner. That's concentrated simple green in the cleaner, just in case you're curious. The stem came out just about perfect, and the diamond emblem is bright and clear. This thing is now spotless. To restain the bowl, I'll use Fibing's leather dye. This is Mahogany Pro dye. This process takes very little dye and is super simple. Just lightly coat the briar and you can watch it dry right before your eyes. You can do a second coat if necessary, but I don't think I'll need it on this refinish. Next, we just buff it up and let it cure. After it's cured for about 24 hours, you can see the grain in the wood far better than with that original stain. After a final hand buffing, this is how it turned out. Not bad for a $5 pipe and about 1 day's worth of effort. So if you like this simple refinish without all that overcomplicated unnecessary BS, how about you drop me a comment down below, like and subscribe, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.